Greetings and good tidings, Lafayette Lions. It is Miss Brady here, and today we are going to be reviewing two-digit by two-digit multiplication, and we will be using our multiplication charts to help us with our problems. We're going to start by modeling the problem 96 times 32. So the first thing that I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to multiply my ones place times my ones place. So I'm going to start with this 2 and I'm going to multiply it by the 6. I can look at my 2 times multiplication chart and see that 2 times 6 equals 12. Just like when we add, I'm going to have to regroup. So the 2 is going to go down and that 1 will come up. My next step is to multiply my ones place on the bottom by my tens place on the top. So this time I'm going to do 2 times 9, which looking at my multiplication chart would be 18. And then I'm going to add this 1, which would be 19. I am all done multiplying by my ones place, but I need to make sure that I put my placeholder 0 before I start multiplying by my tens place. And my placeholder 0 is always super happy when he gets remembered. After I put that placeholder 0, I am going to multiply my tens place on the bottom by my ones place on the top. So that would be 3 times 6. This time I will use my 3 times multiplication chart and see that 3 times 6 is 18. I'll drop that 8 and regroup that 1. Next, I will do my tens times my tens place, which would be 3 times 9. Using that multiplication chart, I can see that it's 27 plus 1 would be 28. My next step is to add. So I'm going to add these two partial products together, and that will give me my final product. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 8 equals 17. So I'm going to drop the 7, regroup the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 8 would be 10. Drop that 0, regroup that 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So my final product would be 3,072. Next, I'm going to model the problem 78 times 54. I'm going to use the same steps as I did above. So I'm going to start with the ones place on the bottom and the ones place on the top. This time I will use my 4 multiplication chart to help me. 4 times 8 equals 32. Drop that 2, regroup the 3. 4 times 7 is 28 plus 3 would be 31. Gonna bring that placeholder 0 in here, and then I'm going to start with the tens place on the bottom. This time I will use my 5 times table. 5 times 8 is 40. So I drop that 0, regroup the 4, then multiply my tens times my tens. So I'm going to do 5 times 7, which equals 35, plus 4 would be 39. My last step is to add these partial products together, which gives me 4,212. All right, friends, it is time for you to look at your review page, and then you are going to do a review quiz on multiplication. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out to your teacher. Everybody have a great day.